You're good. I would start with the flag. Because it's the thing that makes the noise and you can use it above him. It's something you've already been working him with. Drop the rest of your lunge line. Because if he goes to get squirrely, you want to be able to not have your hand caught for one, and also give him the space to move. Now if he goes to walk off, then you'll have to stop him, of course, but typically if we're doing stuff and we're not working at liberty, we'll do it that way. But since we have the line on him, go ahead and put the line in your other hand. That way if he does walk off, he's not going to get tangled up in it either. Just drop all the extra. So it's not. There you go. There. Good boy. So you see how he flinched there?
Yeah.
I would not move on from that spot until he's gotten to be like that, where he's not flinching, then move on to a different spot. Or give him a break at that point and like count to 5. And
he
then,
looks pretty relaxed though, he's not like,
yeah.
he looks tired. Good boy.
Yeah, his eyes are starting to change now and be less bug-eyed, and his head doesn't pop up near as much. Good boy. Yeah. So anytime you get any reaction from him, then we are just going to continue to do that until he shows a sign of relaxation. Not flinching, head drops, his eyes close, lick and chew. Those are all signs that, hey, I'm relaxed. And also hip cocks. Cocking the hip is also a small sign of relaxation, but it also can be a sign of, I'm about to kick this thing too.
Yeah.
So you kind of have to play that one by ear if it's a relaxation wise. But yeah, so right there. So the moment he stops flinching, that first flinch is great. You drop it, and now. And then I would do it again until you can do it and he doesn't flinch the first time. There. Yeah. Good. I like how he's being interested and he's checking it out. Because a curious horse is a horse that's not scared. Good boy. Good. Alright. Switch sides with him.
Take this on the other side. He's shedding so much.
And then as he gets better with the flag and he's not reacting, we will not stop so much in between each of the times that he stops reacting to certain things. Because every time we do this with him with different objects, different scenarios, different things, it's just going to build him up to be more like Toby, where it's like, oh, whatever. You can do whatever you want. I'm just going to stand here until you actually tell me to move, which is the reason why we teach them to also move with the object and not just not be afraid of it.
I know I have treats in my pocket.
It's so hard to get flap underneath it and be so small. Good boy. Yeah.
I know I have treats, I'm sorry.
Good boy. Good.
He's like in that pocket. He's like,
He's like, I smell it.
I smell it.
Raiden, what are you doing,
Good
cat?
boy.
I guess Raiden's gonna come play with some of the training tools. Hopefully not try to pee on it. Good boy. That's good. Alright. Now now from here, when he's nice and relaxed with it, I want you to send him out on a line with it. That way he knows your different body cues and positions of, hey, time to go. Versus stand there and let me just flap you.
Come on. Come on. Boy.
Now you can toss all that extra lunge line out behind you. There you go.
Ooh, he smelled it.
You just have to be wary of where you're stepping and how you're stepping so you don't get your leg tangled up. That one likes to wrap easy around the leg too. Good.
He honestly might like it.
He might. The last horse I had with that we played with it with, I taught her how to push it with her nose.
He's pushing it by himself.
Good boy.
He likes it.
That's cute. He actually likes it. That's adorable. I think he's the first horse I've had that's willingly played with it. That cat is like unperturbed.
I never thought he would like something like that.
Well, he does play with Z. He's a playful guy. But I just didn't take him as the one to play with a ball, I guess.
I thought he'd be afraid of it.
I mean, it is his size. He might change his mind once you start bouncing it.
Yeah, probably. We'll see. Good boy.
I like his head dropping and his eyes. He's not so bug-eyed when we're lunging him now. So if he stops when you don't ask, I want your timing to be like right on his butt.
Okay.
The space of time in between he stops and you ask needs to be like a second or less. Yeah, like within the first 3 to 5 seconds.
It's like, I don't want to wind over it.
Within the first 3 to 5 seconds of a horse doing something, if you don't correct them, then they don't learn from it very well.
Okay.
There's some horses that can pick up on it with late timing, and those are like golden angels.
Yes.
And then there's horses you have to be on your A game with timing, like Toby,
Yeah.
that you don't tell him, hey, I know what I'm doing and we're gonna go, he'll take advantage of that and do what he wants.
His tail is so cute.
He does. He looks adorable with a French braid.
He does.
I like how you ended it off. I didn't think to do it that way.
I didn't know. It's just like
It looks prettier that way.
I like how it drags down the tail.
So